Does this look familiar? Stubborn belly fat that just won't go away no matter how hard you try? For many, it's more than just a cosmetic issue. It's about confidence, energy, and overall health. If you're one of the many who feel weighed down by sluggish metabolism, constant fatigue, and those extra inches around your waist, you're not alone. But it doesn't have to be this way. Introducing Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, a natural, scientifically backed solution designed specifically for people like you, who want real, lasting results. This tonic is for anyone struggling with weight loss, particularly stubborn belly fat, and who craves a metabolism boost without the use of harsh chemicals or synthetic products. This tonic boosts metabolism without harsh chemicals or synthetic products. Whether you're a busy parent, a professional sitting behind a desk all day, or someone battling the effects of aging, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is designed to fit into your life naturally. Unlike so many weight loss pills and shakes that are loaded with synthetic fillers, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is made from natural ingredients inspired by Okinawa's healthy traditions. While other supplements often come with side effects or fail to deliver results, this tonic works with your body's natural metabolism, giving you a gentle but powerful boost. You'll feel more energized, more confident, and healthier without the crash of other products. To maximize the benefits of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, simple lifestyle adjustments can make all the difference. Staying active, whether through walking or regular exercise, nourishing your body with balanced meals, and managing stress through mindful practices like yoga or meditation, all complement the tonic's effects. With Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, losing belly fat doesn't have to be a struggle. It's a gentle, natural solution that works with your body. Combined with small lifestyle changes, it helps you not just look better, but feel better every day. And safety? It's a top priority. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is made right here in the USA with natural, high-quality ingredients. You can feel confident knowing that you're using a safe product, free of synthetic additives and harmful chemicals. It's trusted by thousands and proven to be both effective and gentle on your system. Thousands of people have already transformed their lives with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Imagine waking up with more energy, seeing your waistline shrink, and feeling confident in your body once again. Why wait? Start your journey today with Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic and reclaim the energy, health, and body you deserve. Visit the link below to order now and take advantage of our special offer. A healthier, happier you is just a click away.